They told us to rest in peace, 6 feet under the grass. Now we spend our eternities, accidental neighbors who have passed. If I could, my friend, I'd stretch my hand to hold yours and comfort you. If I could, my friend, I would stand and hug you in the morning dew. I want to hear your story. I want to get to know you, the moments of your glory, and the times you felt so blue. Do you wish sometimes we could do it all again? Erase all our crimes and bury all our sins. Would you make the same choices? Would you click on the same bait? Do you think it's really possible? Or maybe it's all just fate? Life is short, that's what they say, but death is shorter still. Forever is just one day when our bodies begin to chill. If I could, my friend, I'd stretch my hand to hold yours and comfort you. If I could, my friend, I